Hi friends, and welcome back to my happy home. In today's video I'm coming at you with another fall collaboration. This is the fall front porch collaboration that is hosted by Happily Thriving Heidi. I will leave a link of Heidi's channel in the description box below, so you make sure you go over to the channel and show her some love and support. I want to thank Heidi for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and you make sure you go over to the playlist and check all the other participants. Fall is getting cozy, you guys, snuggling up on your couch with a blanket and some hot cocoa. But I also love walking through the garden center and just enjoying all the fall colors, the flowers and the plants. Just recently I visited my local garden center, and it is not a big one, but I always love to just check in every now and then. And lucky me, they had their mums on sale. Look at these, you guys, they are huge. These extra large mums were on sale for only €1.99. And aren't these multicolored mums beautiful? They also had some smaller ones, and those were only 99 cents each, and I really love the dark fall colors on these. And this is what my front porch looks like, you guys. I'm so ashamed to say I didn't do anything to this for the summer season. I only planted these geraniums here on the wall, and that's it. So it really is in need of a makeover, and I'm happy to do that for the fall season. Now let's get started cleaning up this mess. Here I'm finishing up cleaning so I can start putting out my fall decor. This outdoor tablecloth I thrifted last year for only €1, and last year I had it in my backyard where I use it as a rock, and now I'm just switching that out to my front porch. And these two wooden chairs were also a thrifted find. I picked these two up for only €2.50. I'm adding this small wooden stool that was also a thrifted find for only 50 cents. I did a haul on this wooden crate. This wasn't a thrifted find. I got it for, I think it was €3.50. But I did a haul on that. I will leave a link of that in iCard up here. I added this faux fall leaf garland, and now I'm adding some real hay just to give it that touch of fall. Now, who doesn't love pumpkins? I like all the different shapes and colors, and these are a few of the pumpkins that I picked up at the pumpkin fair last weekend. And this is one of the mums that I picked up at the garden center. I love decorating with lanterns, and this one I had in my backyard. I switched it to my front porch. Now here are a bunch of pumpkins that I can use in my outdoor decor. I thrifted most of these, like these terracotta ones that I still want to paint because I don't really like their color. And some of them weren't thrifted, like this one. I got these years ago at my garden center. I wanted to switch out my outdoor rug, so I got these two new ones. This large rubber one and this super cute goodbye and welcome mat that I purchased for only, I think it was €3.95. Yes, you guys, you know I love buffalo check. I picked up these cushions for €2.49 each, but they were on sale for 50% off. This pillow cover I purchased last year, but it didn't match my indoor decor. So one of my subscribers suggested I use it outdoor, and that was one great idea. Now I went and bought more mums that I could handle, and I didn't have a planter for this one. So I decided to wrap it in a piece of burlap, and I think it looks so cute. Before I leave you with a small tour, I want to take this time to thank Heidi for this wonderful collaboration. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. For now, thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!